All right, guys, we're in my shop now. Usually like to be an organized person, but I'll admit this thing is getting a little out of hand. And this normally happens when I got a lot of projects going. I'm racing from one thing to the next. I'm like, oh, this person wants this person needs that, this person needs that. Or if I'm like building something and I'm need that instant gratification, and you start kind of getting a little messy, and well, you get the point. And then of course this happens. Oh man, I hate to show you this, but my goodness, man, it's bad, people. And I'm not gonna lie, it's bad. So, you know, I had it really organized at one point, and it's just hard to keep up. Like I said, when you're doing so many things and you're a freelancer and you're bouncing from one thing to the next. But if I get it in the right shape to where I can easily find stuff and easily put it away, I think the key word there, easily put it away, I think we can maybe make some progress and keep this thing clean on a regular basis. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this wall as my new board storage space, whatever you want to call it. I had this thing up here that didn't work well. Pieces kept falling down. It's kind of dangerous because the pieces can kind of slide forward and maybe hit you in the face. So what I'm going to do, I had these metal rods laying around. So we're going to cut these, let's say about 1.5 feet long, probably about right in there. And we're going to make rails that are kind of angled up, probably about 20 degrees angled up, so that way when I put a piece of board on them, it doesn't try to fall down. We're finishing up with this workshop clean out. Definitely looks a lot better. I can kind of move around in here now like I did when I first set it up, and I got my wood shelves in place. Got my planer and my Ryobi router table. Got my miter saw here. Of course, my sanders. We got bench grinders, the belt sander, drill press, planer, vacuums, drills, and then we got nailers, all kind of stuff. So a lot easier to work in here now. I'll be working on these next, getting these doors right here. We're trying to restore these cabinet doors, well actually the whole cabinet. These came out of the house next door to mine. We'll have to sand these down, and they're going to put a coat of paint over them, primer and coat it, and hopefully it looks really nice. But now that I got a cleaner workspace, I can actually come in here and get some stuff done. Thanks for hanging in there with me, and thanks for watching another episode of Chris Hooks Did That.